Hi everybody, and welcome to another edition of Startup Minute, a service of the Lexington office of the Kentucky Innovation Network. My name is Eric Hartman. I'm your Lexington Kentucky Innovation Network Director. I'm here today at Awesome Inc. in downtown Lexington, where the demo day for the Awesome Inc. Web Developer Bootcamp has just completed, and tabletop displays are going on behind us. I'm here with Nick Such, who is Director of the Bootcamp. So welcome to Startup Minute, Nick.
Thank you very much, Eric. So
tell us about the bootcamp.
Yeah, so the bootcamp program is a 12-week immersive learning experience. So these are for people who came from a background besides computer science who want to get into software development.
Okay, and what is their background, and what's kind of the scope of the bootcamp program itself in terms of duration, all that kind of thing?
Yeah, so their backgrounds are wide variety: manufacturing, healthcare, variety of different things, and they come into this program and get a chance to learn web application development. Start with the basics of HTML and CSS, get up to working with databases, deploying projects using frameworks like Laravel, Vue.js. And today they're showing off real web applications, a unique project each one of them built.
Okay, and so one of the things I think is unique about the program is that all of these students are graduating from the program and looking for positions. So if I'm an employer and I am looking to hire a web developer, we've got 10 candidates here that are graduating today that are ready to go.
They are, yes.
And so what can I expect from them in terms of languages, capabilities, other things like that?
Yeah, so this group has spent a lot of time working in JavaScript and PHP, but the biggest thing that we want them to get out of the bootcamp program is learning how to learn. So that's what we've heard from a lot of the employers in the region. The reason we started this program was a lot of our startups saying, hey, we don't have enough tech talent grown in-house. We need some more people who are ready to dive into those web developer roles. So that's where they are right now. Really had 3 months worth of experience during the program, building real projects, working with senior developers, so they are ready to dive into that first web development job.
Great, and if I'm an employer and I'm wanting to hire someone, what's the best way for me to contact you guys, and maybe you put us in contact with the students?
Yeah, the best thing to do is to reach out to us at Awesome Inc. Emails info@awesomeincu.com. I think we'll get you our phone number out there to put on that as well.
All right, good deal. And so you have a new cohort of the program. It's going to be starting, I guess, in the spring. Tell us a little bit more about when and who might be a candidate. If you're out here and you're watching this, you think, well, I never thought about software, but maybe I might be a candidate. Who would be a good candidate?
Yeah, so our next program starts up in May. Applications are open now through March. So we usually have about 10 to 15 people in these programs. It's a selective application process. The folks who come in are best fits are people who are looking to be part of a team. So software development typically done in the context of a team. People who like to learn. It's the one thing I can guarantee for you about software. It will keep changing and changing. You'll need to keep learning. And people who feel comfortable or interested in technology. So if you do a lot of work in spreadsheets, if you're comfortable using web applications, things like that, those usually are pretty good indicators you might be a good fit for a career like this.
So this was my first Web Developers Bootcamp demo day. I'm very impressed with what I saw today. So congratulations on a successful class, and I'll give you the last word.
All right, wonderful, Eric. Thank you very much. Glad to have you here, and I am Kentucky Innovation.